writing a book only to feel lost halfway through, you're not alone. Which is why having a book outline can save you time, effort, and confusion. Let's talk about how you can create one. A book outline is a chapter-wise breakdown for your book, including 2 to 3 key points for each chapter. It serves as a roadmap while writing, helping you stay on track and ensuring you don't lose direction halfway through. Some authors like having an outline, while others prefer to write freely. But if you want a proper structure before you start writing, then you should definitely create an outline. And if you're working with a ghostwriter, they'll create an outline for you, ensuring you're both aligned on the book's direction. Think of your book outline like a blueprint for your house. You wouldn't start construction before knowing the layout. A book outline keeps things organized as you know exactly what each chapter will cover. It helps prevent writer's block and it ensures that your ideas flow logically from start to finish. Before you start outlining, ask yourself, who is this book for? Because knowing your audience will help shape the book's content. What are your goals with this book? And what are the key messages that you want to convey through this book? Once you've answered these questions, begin outlining by listing out each chapter and writing 2 to 3 key points on what you'll cover in that chapter. This doesn't have to be rigid. Your outline can evolve as you write. But is outlining necessary for every author? Not at all. Some authors prefer to write freely and see where their creativity takes them, while others like the structure of an outline. There is no right or wrong approach. It all depends on your writing style. But if you have a clear vision on how your book is going to flow, then an outline is a great tool to keep you on track. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!